Good morning students. Now we will discuss the fourth number of question. That is here it has been asked, give a flowchart for Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders with example and differences in detail. We have learnt about different this Mendelian disorder and chromosomal disorder. Now we will see the flowchart and then we will see what is the main differences between both this are there. Okay, so genetic disorder we have seen it is first divided into two categories. One is chromosomal and second one is Mendelian disorder. This chromosomal disorder again it is divided into two types, autosomal disorder and sex chromosomal abnormalities. Within the autosomal we have seen the Down syndrome. Why Down syndrome? Why it is in the autosomal? Because we have seen trisomy on 21st pair occur. So it is related to the autosomal disorder. And sex chromosomal abnormalities we have seen Klinefelter. Klinefelter and also Turner syndromes comes in the sex chromosomal abnormalities. Okay, now next is Mendelian disorder. Here the two categories are there, that is the gene mutations in autosomes and gene mutation in sex chromosome. In gene mutations in autosomes, we have the example of sickle cell anemia in which the RBC becomes the sickle shape, and gene mutation in sex chromosome we have example here of hemophilia. Okay, now this is the particular flow chart. If the question is asked that describe the flow chart between the chromosomal and Mendelian, you have to draw this chart and the main differences between them. So what are the main differences between chromosomal and Mendelian disorder? They are caused by chromosomal abnormalities. Now students, what do you mean by chromosomal abnormalities? Chromosomal abnormalities means either one less chromosome is there or one more chromosome is there. So this is referred to as chromosomal abnormality. Whereas here in the Mendelian it is caused by allelic abnormalities, means either the defective allele is there either due to mutation. Okay, all this happens in the Mendelian disorder. Second point, in chromosomal disorder, that is develops due to defective synapses and disjunction. We have seen this process disjunction, that is during the time of meiosis the gametes fail to separate. This is known as non-disjunction. So disjunction and defective synapses means the chromosome fail to pair with each other, that is referred to as synapses. Whereas in the Mendelian, allelic abnormalities develop due to mutation. Third point, the defect can be known through amniocentesis. Amniocentesis means the fluid from the developing fetus, okay, is taken, and from that fluid we can determine which defect or which chromosomal disorder the growing baby is facing. Here the defect can be predicted only through the pedigree analysis, that is the box circle that we have seen. Okay, that is known as the pedigree analysis. So through that analysis only this Mendelian disorders can be known. Chromosomal disorder, they are rarely transmitted, means from from parents to the another it is rarely transmitted, whereas the Mendelian, that is transmitted to the progeny, that is from parents to the next generation it is easily transmitted. So these are the basic differences between chromosomal and Mendelian disorder. I hope this question it is clear to you. First you have to draw the chart between the Mendelian and chromosomal, and then you have to sort out the difference between chromosomal and Mendelian disorder.